this video, and I'm going to be showing you how to create AI birthday flyer design using just words. So we have our prompt already. All you have to do is get over into your AI prompt master guide and fish out the prompt. So scroll down, open the document, and then you're going to find the prompt here. You scroll down and highlight to copy your prompt. All right. This is the flyer I want to replicate. This is AI. This is AI. This is AI, right? This is, see how quality it is, see how bright and sharp it is. And for those who are going to be getting into the paid program, right, the paid course, you're going to see how you can actually use your own picture, right? So instead of you creating random pictures, you see how you can use your own picture. So if you want to get into the paid program, if you scroll down somewhere here, you see connect to learn more on WhatsApp. Just tap this link here, wa.link/GHS423, and you'll be guided on how to get into the paid program. That is very robust and it gives you every single thing you need. It's a community, right? Not just a course. It's a community where we have live sessions, we have practical live prompting classes, and it's going to change everything for you, right? So let's get into pardon me, I think I need to take water. Okay, but I can manage for this one. So let's quickly head over here and we'll just copy out our prompts. I'm going to express some things here, so you want to pay attention. It's not just about copying the prompt. I want to analyze this particular birthday prompt. Of course, our Gemini is trying for us. You see, I think we should buy Gemini mode. The guy is trying, easy. So yeah, drop your prompt this way and wait a few seconds as usual. Now for me, when I work with prompt like this, this is a training tutorial, but basically I like to optimize my prompt because of course there's the unique part of me. AI can do a nice job, but I still retain my intelligence as a human. So for the sake of this tutorial, the practical you're going to be giving will be showing you how to generate exact image, right? But subsequently you're going to be told to tweak it, maybe the background color, maybe the text effect, maybe the fonts, maybe the embellishments. Embellishments is anything you add to increase the aesthetics of a design, all right? To improve, not increase, improve the aesthetics. So let's look at the reference we have and let's see the difference. Reference difference, one papa, two friends. Okay, so you can see the face. I keep saying it that the facial detailing is constant, is consistent. All right, so let's look at what changed. What changed here is the icons, the logos are different, the fonts are pretty the same. The what's it called now? How come this? Okay, let's check our prompt. I don't have to rack my head around that. I'm trying to look at the word. Okay, decorative confetti strokes. Yeah, decorative confetti strokes around the happy birthday. You can see that. All right, so what else do we have that is different there? So it's a church, it's a birthday, probably one of the workers, vice president of the fellowship, right? So that's it. So the church is celebrating the vice president, wishing you the best of your new age. So you can see there's a watermark there, by the way. Those who get into the paid program, they are going to be getting access to a pro AI software that will help them remove watermarks in just a few taps. All right, so if you've not enrolled, you want to enroll quickly, use the link that I shared earlier and enroll into it. So yeah, so we're comparing to see what's changed or what we need to look into there. So very quickly, let's check check that we already talked about the logo. We already talked about the position of the logo. You can see these ones are two edges. This is centralized, so we just need to do it a quick tweak, one or two, and then so I think we should rerun this prompt and see what we have again. Let's try this, on another search. So we'll copy the exact prompt, and then we're going to, let's just copy the exact prompt. Let's start a new chat and let's see what we have. All right, so we have a new search here. Let's enter it and let's see what we have. Okay, so while we're doing that, let's quickly see. You can see it's a modern birthday celebration flyer with a vibrant, polished church social media aesthetic. Logo is made up of a circle, having light, and love with a cross. So somewhere here we would have to edit something. Okay, you can see it's better now compared to what we have. All right, this is closer to what we had before. The logos is not too, so I think it has a problem, or it needs more clarity. It doesn't have a problem, it needs more clarity on what exactly to do with the logo. So it's still guessing. So if you're doing yours later on during your practice, you can optimize and do better. But you can see other areas are constant. The font style is constant, the label of vice president and the color is constant, the text is constant, the confetti strokes is constant, the name of the church is constant. You see that the facial resemblance is constant, the kind of the balloon colors are constant, and even the background is constant. The light glow around the balloons is constant. So we just need to tweak one or two things and we're good. So right, so let's look at the key items in the prompt. Right, no social media icons, so we should not put social media icons of the fellowship. We already tell it the size. So you notice that in your prompt telling it the size, I learned this the hard way when I started prompting, because I would have a very good design, and because I didn't put the accurate size, it just messes it up, and I'm like, whoa. So I had to learn. Of course, I'm already a designer, trained a lot of designers, and I know some of these things. The size, for example, square, of course we know that's 4x4, 5x5, 3x3, 1x1, whatever. If it's Instagram rectangle, that's 1080 by 1350, 1080 by 1350. All right. If it's an ebook size, it's something near 811, 8.5 by 11, that's like A4 size. There's just so many sizes you need to learn, and all of that. Is YouTube, that's 16 by 9. So you need to check some of these things, and it will help you a whole lot in your design. Right, so a simple Google search will help you identify some of these things, and if you don't know, you can just search it even on ChatGPT, and then before you bring it down to your Gemini. All right, so top, small, centered, organizational name with 2 to 3. Okay, so I think this is where the problem is. How did I even miss this? So so why this is showing 2 3 minimal logos, because I wanted it to have circle, heaven, light, and love with a cross. So somewhere there is looking like 2 3 minimal logo, right? So let's try now, and this is not a video for editing, but let us do that here so that we can see, since we are on Gemini. Let's see. Okay, let's try and see what we can do here. Oh, did I send a new one? Okay, since we still have the prompt, let's remove that part that says minimal 2 logos. Single unified logo. Let's see what difference that makes. So this is just reinforcing that, whatever it is you give to AI is what it gives you back. So like I said, and I've been saying, if you ever notice something you do not want in your design, and you feel like, oh, maybe this prompt, maybe this this thing is not working. No, there's something wrong with the prompt. It might look perfect. It might look, trust me, your prompt might look perfect, but if your result, especially if it's consistent or repeated, you see now it's better. All right, the love, the lights, it's in one logo. All right, and then it's one, it's not, there's no way we prompt this again that it will ever give us multiple icons, because we tweaked just a single line there. All right, other things keep staying consistent, just a little tweak. You can see the match first and the I love with love is a bit different now, and compared to this one, this is more transparent than this one, but the posture, the spaces, the position is similar and constant. So yeah, that's that about that. I hope this has been of help to you. Let's look at this one more time to see if there's any area we have not touched. 3D glossy balloons, metallic, so it's looking like glassy, shiny metal balloon, right? Glossy reflections, gentle highlights. All right, so these are some of the things you want to watch out for. What are the keywords? 3D balloons, modern church flyer, birthday flyer, modern church design, social media flyer, clean layout, celebratory design, premium Instagram flyer, ultra high resolution, sharp details, professional graphic design output. These are all things you need to watch out for. So when you're prompting yours and you want to tweak something, these are similar keywords or terms that you want to use and work with. I hope this has been helpful. My name is Stephen Oluyemi, and I'm so excited that you've watched up to this point. Go and implement, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Of course, before I go, if you're watching this on YouTube, you want to subscribe and drop comments so that you can help us reach more people. You can subscribe and turn on notifications so you can see more of that. We're going to be doing a lot of videos that will help you, so you want to subscribe to turn on notifications so you are you're the first person to get notified. Is that okay? If you have questions, drop in the comments. If you're in a support group joining from your training, reach out and share your questions or concerns, and our team will take it up from there. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.